guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Pragati. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I am just going to do a nice, soft glam, a party wear look, or any event or any function that you attend. You can create this look, which I have created today. This is very soft and this look is created with very affordable product. It's Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. It is a very economy, very budget friendly for people who do not wish to spend so much or cannot afford to spend so much. So this is a very affordable product that I have come up with. This is the eye look that I have created using this Only Soul palette, which is very inexpensive. Formula is really good. The eyeshadows are very pigmented and the metallic shades are very good. The Miss Claire Ultra Glow eyeshadow palette. This is a 02 palette. It's a warm brown palette. Using this you can create a lot of looks. This is how this palette is. The packaging is very sturdy. It's a little bit of a shimmer metallic one, and the Miss Claire is embossed. This palette contains total 16 shades. Out of that, 7 are matte and 9 are shimmer metallic color. You can see the pigment is so intense. The metallic shades are in this palette are amazing. You can apply it with the brush, you can apply them with the fingertips. It gives you a flawless payoff. And whatever the matte shades are, these eyeshadows are a little bit of a powder because there is a little fallout for a drugstore product, which is a very underrated and it has not been used by many of, but the kind of smoothness, the kind of eyeshadow, it is so inexpensive. I will put down the price of this palette below in description section. I'm using this Nykaa foundation. This is in the shade Hot Honey 07. That's my shade. This foundation is such a smooth, very good formula. It is such a good coverage. This is a medium to buildable. So I have taken this little bit and applied on my face, and it had given me a skin-like finish, which you can see the kind of finish it has given me. It is amazing. It's a very medium and a lightweight formula. So I just love this product and I keep buying it. This is my third bottle since Nykaa had launched this foundation skin shield. So I just love this product. It is worth the spend. I am using Maybelline Sand Concealer to conceal my under eyes, to hide out any blemishes, dark circles, or any acne are there. And also to give a really brightening effect, I am using this concealer, which is one of my favorite product, and I keep repeating again and again. Further, to set my base, I had used this Fit Me's translucent powder. This is in the shade 20. This is one of the best products that I have been owning it, and this helps to really set your concealer and the base so well so that it doesn't crease, it doesn't give you any fine line. It helps to smoothen and giving you a very soft look to your face, and your foundation base keeps intact. I love this Fit Me translucent powder. I have a shade number 20, I have shade number 15. 15 is a perfect shade for me, but I like to go for a little bit of warmer tones, which gives me a little bronziness, you know, sort of. In today's tutorial, I had used Nykaa's this blush duo. This is shade number 01 Brazilian Bombshell. This is one of the pigmented blush. I have used it. This is giving me like a very berry and pinky cheeks. So this is one of the products that I like it also from Nykaa, and I had used this to complete my look in today's tutorial. When I'm doing a makeup, it's all about having that nice shine and nice glow to my face. So the highlighter is really must. I have used in today's tutorial this highlighter from the Focallure. This is Glow highlighter from the Focallure. It's a beautiful soft golden shade which I had used, and it had given me a beautiful shine and a beautiful highlight to my face. To complete my eye look, I am using I have used Chambers mascara on my eyelash. I just love it. When I bought this, I tried, I loved so much that I ended up buying three more bottles of it at one time because it was on a sale. So I thought, why not, I'll just stock it up. So I had just stocked up more 3 bottles, which means I got total 4 bottles right now. The kind of formula this Shambur mascara has, it is a very nice, it gives you volume to your lashes, it gives you that fuller, thicker look, and you can give several coats on your eyelashes, and it becomes and it builds so full, and it gives you a full volumized look to your eyelashes. And it is this is one of my favorite product from the Shambur. I've used this Colossal eyeliner from the Maybelline. This is another one of my favorite product, which I keep using it always in every of my tutorials. And this Colossal Kajal, Colossal eyeliner, I keep using always because Maybelline's these products, I just love them and I keep using it every day. It is my routine products. This has given me a beautiful winged to my eyes, and having a beautiful winged eyes is your eye makeup takes to another level. Further, I had used this Revlon Kajal in my waterline to give me that very intense smoky kind of waterlines, and it is intensely black. It gives this is a one stroke definition, so you don't need to use that so much, keep giving strokes to stroke. You use it one line and it is good enough for you because it's so creamy and so pigmented, and it is a smudge proof. So this is a beautiful product to have it. For my eyebrows, I had used one of my favorite product from Sugar. This is Sugar Arch Arrival eyebrow pencil in the shade Jerry Brown. This is a very nice brown tone eyebrow pencil which gives a very nice definition to the eyebrows. This has a very precision stroke pencil which helps to give you a very precise strokes to your hair strand, and also you can fill in, give a really nice outline to your eyebrows, which helps to get a perfect and flawless shape to your eyebrows. This is not really very creamy, but it is a perfect creamy which is good enough for your eyebrows to define. Further, to complete your makeup, lipstick is a must. To finish the look, I have used this Shambur lipstick. This is the liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade 482. This is one of the most raved lipstick, and I just love the kind of payoff it has given. It is intensely pigmented. It is very soft on lips. It is a matte, but it is not thick and heavy on your lips. It is a very lightweight formula. It dried up so quickly, and it has given me the intense pigment, and it is so beautiful. And I just love this. I have picked up the Shambur lipsticks are really nice. These liquid lipsticks, they are matte but yet very light on the lips. Is today's products that I had used, and this is the soft look that I have created. I hope you like this today's tutorial. If you like so, please give me a lot of likes and comments into the comment section. Let me know how you felt, what is your experience, have you tried this Claire's eyeshadows ever? If so, how was your experience? And do let me know what are the products that you would like to see me doing it. I'm going to put all the products which I have used in today's tutorial. I'm going to link them into description section with their prices and the link. You can just take a look at it. If you like, you can just buy them up and definitely try it out. Let me know how you feel. And now, without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. I moisturized my face using Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is a very affordable product which is easily available any drugstores, any of the medical stores, which is easily available, and it is a very lightweight formula, so it is good in summer. You can use this moisturizer to hydrate you. I'm going to go ahead and take this Nykaa foundation in the shade Hot Honey. So I'm going to take that 2 pumps on my hands, and I'm just on my face. This is a very lightweight, medium to buildable coverage foundation which gives you a really flawless finish. Using the sponge, I'm going to put it across on my face and just going to build the coat, and just going to go nicely and just blend that evenly It melts in your skin like a dream. So it is a very nice and very soft. That is the reason that I love this Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. Moving forward, I am going to go ahead and take this Maybelline concealer. This is in the shade Sand. I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my bridge of nose, on my cupid bow, on my chin, side of my lips, wherever there's a little bit of a darkness. So just to conceal that. So this helps to conceal any blemishes, darkness on your skin, and giving you up that brightening effect on your skin. To set my base, I'm going to go ahead and take this Fit Me translucent powder. This is in the shade 20. This is a little bit of a pink undertone, but this is fine for me because I'm using this Hot Honey foundation, which is a yellow undertone, and this will complement and give me a good finish overall. It helps to really set the best. Going forward, I am going to go ahead and do my brows using the Sugar Pencil. This is in the shade of Jerry Brown, and it is a brown shade which really complements to my eyebrows. It gives me a really good natural finish to my eyebrows. It is intensely pigmented. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take an eyeshadow palette from Miss Claire. This is in the shade 02. This is a warm brown shade. I'm going to use this eyeshadow in my eyes. I'm going to take this peach shade, which is I'm going to do my, apply in my crease line, and just define my crease line very softly, very gently, using my blending brush from Sigma. And I'm just going to go ahead and just go do a nicely working into my crease line, giving that a very soft and very nice finish. Doing my crease line really nice. Next, I'm taking this brown shade to deepen my crease, and I'm going to put that into my outer corner of my eyelids, which is the weak corner of my eyelids. I'm going to intensify that using that brown color in my outer V of my eyes. This is a very nice, and it is intensely pigmented, so it gives a very nice smoke to my eyes. Once I intensify my eyes, I'm going to go ahead, take this metallic shade. This is a coppery metallic shade, which I'm going to put it across my half of my lid, from my tear duct to the middle of my lids, and I'm going to just work through really well, giving a nice cut to my eyelids. Further, I'm taking this, this is a champagne copper, this is a champagne color which I'm going to take, and I'm just going to apply it in my middle of my eyelids to brighten my eyelids really nice, and giving that a very nice and very smoky and a very party wear look. And I'm taking this Revlon's Kajal pencil. I'm going to fill that in my waterline, and just giving that a smoky waterline look. Further, to finish, I am taking this Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to make a nice wing to my eyes, to giving that a very nice winged look, and just to give a beautiful look to my eyes. To complete my eye look, I am using this Shambur mascara. This is intensely pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and give nice stroke to fill it up. And I'm going to pop in some false lashes, and then just going to come back to you. This is the complete look that I have done today's tutorial. I'm taking the blush from Nykaa. This is a Brazilian Bombshell 01 shade. It is a really nice pigmented formula which I'm going to put it on my cheeks, and I'm just going to work through really well. Oh my god, this is really intensely pigmented, so I have to be careful while using it. So I'm going to do what I'm going to do. This is a duo, so I'm going to use this pink shade also and this darker pink shade also, which is like a berry tone. I'm going to mix that and I'm just going to work through really well so that I get that soft look on my cheeks. To complete the my face makeup, I'm going to take this Poclure highlighter. This is in the shade Diamond Glow, and I'm going to put it across on my high points of cheeks to give that a nice highlighting effect. And I'm going to take a little bit and put it on my nose, bridge of nose also, and the tip of my nose also, to give that beautiful highlight. Moving forward, to complete my look, I am taking this Chamber lipstick. This is in the shade 482. This is a matte formula. It is a beautiful, and I'm just going to outline really nicely, really well, and it is a very lightweight on the lips, and I just love this formula. So there you go. This is what I have used. This is what it looks like. I hope. Did you like this look? I hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please like. With that, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.